understand, ladies and gentlemen? You gotta drive with care. People don't understand. A beautiful, beautiful day. And here it is, people having accidents left and right on a beautiful day like this. You know why? Because they don't realize that their attitude is revealed through their character, through their driving. They don't realize that their attitude and their character is revealed in your driving. You gotta give space, ladies and gentlemen. You gotta give people space. You gotta respect one another. You gotta treat one another with respect. And you know, what you sow in your driving, you're gonna reap in your driving. So if you don't let people over and be kind to people, then you're gonna reap it. Same thing is when you're doing in life. Sowing and reaping. It's sad, ladies and gentlemen. It's very sad. Beautiful day like this. Beautiful day like this is today. People still getting in accidents. Wow. Because somebody didn't yield to the next man. Or somebody didn't yield to the next person. They refuse to yield. Refuse to yield, ladies and gentlemen. And look at that car. That car gonna try to go around. Now how the car gonna go around and the ambulance, the fire truck, the one stopping the traffic? But you see how these people was, look at that. See how they trying, look at that. Now them two about to get in an accident. You see that? Because nobody don't want to wait. Nobody want to wait. Wow, look at that. You gotta have patience, ladies and gentlemen. Look at that, see? Don't want to wait. They ain't got enough patience to wait. A log truck and a car. Wow. Hold on, ladies and gentlemen. Hold on, ladies and gentlemen.